Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some jelly soaps. So let's get straight on to the video. First thing you want to do is add 3/4 cups of boiling or hot water. Then add a half a cup of shampoo, body wash, soap, whatever you have. Then mix. You probably are going to want to use this with a whisk. I did with a spatula, but then I ended up changing afterwards. After it is all mixed up, add in 2 packets of unflavored gelatin.
Words to say the words to remember. Now we're here.
And you are going to get a lot of bubbles on it, but I have a solution for that you'll watch later into the video. And right now I'm just adding in some pomegranate oil for a scent. Now when you're done, you can add them into your molds. I'm just using these little popsicle molds because why not? And you can add any food color if you want, it's up to you. Now, if you have bubbles on top of them and you don't want to use a spoon to take it all out, just get some rubbing alcohol and spritz that. Then, leave that in the fridge for 2 hours or in the freezer for 45 minutes. And here they are. Now we're just going to test them. I would really recommend you do this because they're really fun to make, they're squishy, and it puts a lot of soap on your hands. So I would give this a thumbs up. Sadly, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!